Welcome back to the Honest Tale. Have you ever faced a moment when taking the easy way out seemed almost irresistible? Maybe it was a small lie, skipping a responsibility, or just giving into a quick temptation. These moments, they test more than just our willpower. They reveal the hidden battles of mind control, honesty, and discipline happening inside us all the time. So, why do these choices matter so much? And how do they secretly shape our everyday lives? Let's meet Ria. She's a determined, hardworking student with a huge dream, becoming a doctor. Her days are a blur of bustling school hallways, balancing classes, assignments, and the high expectations from her teachers and parents. At home, Ria has this small study corner, her little sanctuary, but it's also a battleground where distractions and temptations like her phone and social media, are constantly calling her name. Surrounded by the pressure to succeed, Ria's entire journey is shaped by the choices she makes, both the big ones and the small. Now, imagine this. It's the night before her most important exam. Raya accidentally stumbles upon a secret group chat where a classmate is sharing the answers. The temptation hits her like a lightning bolt. It's immediate. One single click, and she could guarantee a top score. She could make her parents incredibly proud and secure her spot at the very top of the class. It seems so easy, but as she stares at her phone, her mind starts racing. She remembers her father's words about integrity and that incredible feeling of pride she gets when her own hard work actually pays off. The pressure to succeed is overwhelming, and the fear of falling behind is gnawing at her. But the thought of betraying her own values, of cheating herself, makes her feel deeply uneasy. Raya's heart is pounding in her chest as she weighs the easy path against the deep satisfaction of honest achievement. She's caught right in the middle, between the chaos of temptation and the calm of discipline. What would you do in her shoes? The answer isn't as simple as it seems, and her choice will define everything. With her hands trembling, Ria hovers her finger over her phone. The answer key is just a single tap away. The room feels heavy, and her heartbeat is loud in her ears. In that moment of intense pressure, her father's gentle voice echoes in her memory. True strength is doing the right thing, even when no one is watching. She closes her eyes and pictures his proud smile, remembering the unwavering trust he's always placed in her. The urge to cheat is still there, battling with a rising wave of guilt and fear. What if she disappoints everyone? What if her real effort isn't good enough? But as the seconds tick by, something else starts to grow inside her, a quiet, firm resolve. She puts her phone down, face down on the desk. She takes a deep breath and makes her choice. She will rely on her own preparation, on the hours she put in. The tension is still there, but it's mixed with a profound sense of relief. She has chosen honesty over the easy way out. The next day, Ria walks into the exam hall with a mix of nerves and determination, but her mind is clear, free from the weight of a guilty secret. She tackles each question with focus, relying on her hard earned knowledge and the steady discipline she has cultivated. When the results are finally posted, her score isn't perfect. It isn't the highest in the class, but it's truly hers. And instead of disappointment, Ria feels a deep sense of pride and peace. The anxiety that once clouded her thoughts has been replaced by a quiet, unshakable confidence. She realizes something powerful in that moment. Real success is not just about high marks or being number one. It's about having the strength to make honest choices, especially when it's hard. Raya's journey has transformed her. She now faces challenges not with fear, but with a calm assurance, knowing she can trust herself to do what's right. That's a victory no grade can ever measure. Ria's story is a powerful reminder for all of us. True strength isn't found in taking shortcuts. It's forged in the quiet moments when we master our own minds and choose honesty, even when it's the tougher path. The real victory lies in staying true to your values, no matter the pressure you're under. So, the next time you find yourself tempted to take the easy way out, remember Ria. Remember that every single honest choice you make builds your character and shapes your future. Don't wait for a big test to prove your integrity. Start practicing discipline and honesty in the small things today. The decisions you make right now, in this moment, will define the person you become tomorrow. Don't miss your chance to be proud of the person you're becoming. If you found Ria's story inspiring, please take a moment to like, share, and subscribe for more powerful lessons from the Honest Tale. Remember, every day is a new chance to choose honesty and strength. Stay tuned for our next episode, where another ordinary hero will face an extraordinary challenge. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you soon.